Your number one duty as a notary is to identify signers. But what if the signer lacks the required identification documents? The signer may be able to use a credible identifying witness. This is an individual who knows and can verify the signer's identity. The credible identifying witness will appear at the notarization and take an oath or affirmation before a notary to swear or affirm the signer is who they say they are. Think of the witness as a human ID card for the signer. Let's take a look at a scenario where the signer must use a credible identifying witness. You are approached by a client who needs his signature notarized on a compliance agreement. The signer explains that he lost his driver's license and is yet to receive a replacement. Because the signer does not have proper ID to present, he has brought his friend to serve as a credible identifying witness. Some states require the witness to present an approved form of ID to establish their own identity. In this scenario, the witness presents a passport to meet this requirement. You then record any information about the credible witness in the ID section of your notary journal. And keep in mind, as a notary, it is not your responsibility to investigate or confirm how well a witness knows the signer. The next step is to administer the oath of affirmation by which the witness confirms they know the signer. And you may be asking, can a family member be a credible witness? Being related to the signer does not automatically disqualify a witness, but several states require the witness to be unaffected or receive no benefit from the transaction. While it may be permitted under state law, it is important to consider the potential risks of allowing a relative or spouse to serve as a credible identifying witness. Allowing either to serve as a witness may raise concerns about witness bias, which could ultimately jeopardize the transaction. Remember, guidelines and requirements can vary from state to state. Some states require one credible identifying witness to be present at the signing, while others require two. And how you record a journal entry for a credible identifying witness can also vary. Your awareness of the laws and guidelines regarding credible identifying witnesses is essential. Be familiar with your state's website, handbook, and other resources. The NNA offers state-specific primers that cover notary laws and procedures. And if you have questions, you can also confirm requirements by calling into our live NNA hotline. For a more comprehensive look at how to use credible identifying witnesses, follow the link in our Knowledge Center in the video description.